Bachcho, today we are starting the topic that was of from the foreign policy of India. India is the country which is peaceful from starting. It is developing and still it is the country which believes in the harmony and the sympathy. So today the topic which we are going to discuss, that is about the India's nuclear policy. India, as I told you, that always it is believing in the peaceful world. But if anybody is attacking us, so we have to be that much efficient to save ourselves, to protect ourselves from that attack. So we have to keep the weapons, nuclear weapons, for our own safety. So for our nuclear program, that is totally different from the others. Nuclear program initiated in the late 1940s under guidance of Homi Jahangir Bhabha. In India, the nuclear program was started under the guidance of Homi Jahangir Bhabha, and at the time the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, who was strongly believing in the technologies and the Western criteria to update ourselves, he also initiated Homi Jahangir Bhabha for this nuclear program. So our motive is to generate atomic energy is for the peaceful purpose. We don't want to attack someone. We don't want to go with the feeling of, with the ideology of imperialism. We don't want to spread our empire. We want to save ourselves. That is the meaning why this particular program was installed. So it was the motive was to generate atomic energy for the peaceful purpose. नेहरू वॉज अगेंस्ट न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स, वो न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स के अगेंस्ट थे. बट what the things were going on, those who were the superpowers, they were just imposing others, they were just compelling others to ban their nuclear weapons, and they were doing their own tests in their own country. So that was totally full of discrimination. So Nehru was against that policy. See, Nehru was against nuclear weapons, so he pleaded superpowers. Superpowers were Russia, America, Japan, China, France. These were the superpowers. So he pleaded to the superpowers for the comprehensive nuclear disarmament. एक साथ मिलकर सब disarmament के लिए effort करें. So for that nuclear non-proliferation treaty, NPT, that was framed by the superpowers. But what was the main lacuna in that? What was the main drawback? So things were imposed on the countries which were developing or which were new in this particular phase, and they themselves made them free from that. So it was little bit discriminatory. So like India refused to sign. India refused to sign NPT because it was not in the favor of all. Superpowers themselves, they were making free themselves for the for just having any test, nuclear test, but they were imposing the things on the countries like developing countries. India has opposed the international treaties aimed at non-proliferation. India ने उन treaties को oppose किया because what they were doing, because they were selectively applicable to non-nuclear power. अब selectively कुछ particular countries के लिए बनाई गई थी. But if we are going to make law, if we are going to make some norm for something, so it should be applicable to all. But what happened at time, that particular treaty was applied on the selective people. Selective people were there, selective countries were there to whom these particular treaties were applicable, and legitimized the monopoly of 5 nuclear weapon powers. 5 जो सुपर पावर्स थी, उनके पावर को लेजिटिमाइज करने के लिए, हाँ ये लेजिटिमेट है, ये प्रोन है, ये कर सकते हैं, इसलिए ये बनाई गई. दैट्स वाई इट वॉज अपोज बाय इंडिया एंड अदर कंट्रीज. सो इंडिया refused to sign NPT as well as CTBT, that was Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty was also the treaty which was full of the thing like they were just trying to impose the particular treaty on the countries like India. So these were for the selective countries. So India refused to sign the treaties of NPT and CTBT. Then series of nuclear tests in May 1998, it was done for the military purpose, for our own strength, for our own defense, we were using the nuclear test. Then international community extremely critical of nuclear test in the Pakistan and India. अब international community जो थी वो, if they are doing the test, that is fine. But if in India and the countries like Pakistan and other developing countries they are doing tests, so they were criticizing those tests. उन टेस्ट को वो क्या कर रहे थे, क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे. So India's nuclear doctrine of credible minimum, no first use, कि हम first we will not use the nuclear weapons. हम कभी भी पहला यूज न्यूक्लियर वेपन का नहीं करेंगे. दिस वॉज आवर डॉक्ट्राइन. वाई? बिकॉज वी वर इन फेवर ऑफ पीस एंड वी वॉन्ट टू मेक द पीसफुल वर्ल्ड. सो फर्स्ट यूज विल नॉट बी मेड बाय अस. द न्यूक्लियर डिसआर्मामेंट should be non-discriminatory. What was the notion of India? कि nuclear disarmament क्या होना चाहिए? It should be non-discriminatory and nuclear जो weapons होते हैं, that the particular nuclear weapons जो होते हैं, they should not used by the superpowers also. So if we are putting something, if we are making some norm, so it should be equal to all countries. Only in that case we will be able to create a nuclear weapon free world. तभी हम nuclear weapon free world को maintain कर पाएंगे, बना पाएंगे. तो एक बार हम फिर देखते हैं. न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम इनिशिएट हुआ जो लेट 1940s में, एंड द एफर्ट्स वर मेड बाय अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ होमी जहांगीर भाभा. देन to generate atomic energy, our purpose was very peaceful. We want to create the peace in the world. That's why we were using that. Then Nehru was against nuclear weapons. क्यों थे वो? और उन्होंने इसलिए क्योंकि because India was believing in the peaceful manner, in the peaceful things. So he played it to superpowers. क्या करने के लिए? To comprehensive test nuclear disarmament. कि सभी लोग मिलकर न्यूक्लियर जो आर्म्स हैं उन्हें खत्म करें, डिस्ट्रक्ट करें. Nuclear non-proliferation treaty that India refused to sign because it was very partial. India has opposed the international treaties aimed non-proliferation as they were selectively applicable on the non-nuclear countries. अब देखिए आप, जो non-nuclear powers थी, कि जो already nuclear power हैं, तो they were having the weapons, but जो non-nuclear power थी उनको उन पे ये impose किया गया and legitimize the monopoly of the 5 nuclear जो मेन आपकी सुपर पावर्स हैं उनके पावर को लेजिटिमाइज करने के लिए. So that was the main question mark on that. So they refused to sign NPT and CTBT, that is the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. Then the series of nuclear tests in May 1998 for the military purpose it was done, but international community extremely criticized of the nuclear test in the Pakistan and India. India's nuclear doctrine for credible minimum, the no first use. India का क्या था कि हम first we will not use, we will use the weapons for defense. We are not going to attack on someone. So what was the motive of India? That nuclear disarmament should be done without any discrimination, and only in that case we will be able to create a weapon free world. न्यूक्लियर वेपन फ्री वर्ल्ड को क्रिएट करने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी हैव टू मेक द वर्ल्ड make the world in this particular condition that where everyone will follow the same norm. There should not be separate norm for the developing country and a separate form for the developed country. So we have to think in that manner. हमें उस मानर में सोच के ही disarmament करना चाहिए. So this was India's nuclear policy, that we always wanted to just remain peaceful in the world, and we do not want to attack on someone. We want to use a weapon for our own sake, but we were not ready to sign any treaty that was full of discrimination, that was giving more powers to the superpower, and it was denying for the developing country if they are not having nuclear power, so it is for them only. So that was totally wrong. So if something is going to be made, it should be equally applicable to all. So that was the topic of the day. Do read the topic from the book and do revise also, do make the notes. So if the question is coming about the short notes or the 1 mark answer or 3 mark, 4 mark, you can modify the answer. So that's all for today. Do revise. Thank you so much.